Now children, in this video I am taking rounding of the numbers. So first of all I will take the rounding of the numbers to nearest 10. Now here I am taking one example, that is 36. In 36 what we will do, we will check the digit that is present at ones place. So when we have to round off a number to nearest 10, what we will do, we will check the digit present at unit place. This digit is, if it is equals to 5 or if it is greater than 5, then what we will do, we will write in place of this digit, we will write 0 and we will add 1 to the 1 to next digit. That will become this 3 and 1, it will become 4 and the digit will be, the whole number will become equals to 40. Right? So what is the rule? In to round off a number to nearest 10, we will check the unit digit. If unit digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we will write in place of unit digit, we will write 0 and we will add 1 to the next digit. So next digit will be increase by 1 and the number will become 36 will become equals to 40. Now another case I will take, if the digit present at unit place is less than 5. I am taking an example 24. In this case the digit present at unit place is 4. So if we will check that this is 4 is less than 5. Now in this case what we will do, in this case we will in place of 4, in place of 4 we will write 0, but we will not increase any number to 2. 2 will remain as such. 24 will be rounded off to 20. 24 will be rounded off to 20. Now some other examples I will take and I will explain you. I am taking here 97. Then 82. Now, how we will round off 97 to, if we have to round off this number to nearest 10, how 97 will change. Now, in this case, we will check the 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So, what we will do, in place of 7, we will write 0 and we will increase 9 with 1 number. We will add 1 to 9. Then this will change 0, 9 plus 1, 10. So 97 will become 100. In this case 82, if you will see, this digit 2 is smaller than 5. The 2 is smaller than 5. So what we will do, in place of 2 we will write 0, but we will not increase any number to 8. We will not increase 8 by 1. So this will remain same. 82 will be rounded off to 80. If we have to round off the number 82 to nearest 10, then it will be rounded off to 80. Right? Now, if we have to round off a number to nearest 100, then what we will do? Now in this case, when we have to round off a number to nearest 100, I am taking some examples. 824. First example, that is 824. Now in this case children, when we have to round off a number to nearest 100, what we will do? Now this is ones place, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place. In this case what we will do, we will take these two numbers, we are rounding off this number to nearest 100. What we will do, we will check the number that is present at the digits that are present at ones place and tens place and the number formed by these two digits. The digit present at ones place is 4, the digit present at tens place is 2 and the number formed by these two digits is 24. Now we will check 24. If 24 is, either it should be equals to 50 or greater than 50. But in here, in this case, it is less than 50. If it is less than 50, what we will do, in place of 24 we will write zeros, 2 zeros, and then we will not increase 8 by any. 8 will write, we will write 8 as such. Right? Now in another example, I am taking now 267. Now 267, in this number, when you will see the number formed by the digits present at ones place and tens place is 67, and 67 is greater than 50. So how we will round off this number? We will write, in place of 67 we will write 0. But what we will do, to number 2 we will add 1. And this number is rounded off to 0, 0, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 267, if we are rounding this number to nearest 100, then it will be rounded off to 300. Now other examples I will take in and I will explain you. 572. If we have to round off this number to nearest 100, or suppose I am taking it as 1572, and we have to round off this number to nearest 100, what we will do, we will check the number that is formed by the digits present at ones place and tens place. The number formed by these two digits is 72, and we will check 72. 72 is greater than 50. When 72 is greater than 50, what we will do, in place of 2 and 7, we will write 2 zeros. And the number 5, we will increase by 1. Number 5, we will add 1 and then we will add 1. So the number will change to 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 1600. The 1572 or 1572 will change into 1600 after rounding off to nearest 100. Now another example. In this example, I am taking a number that is 245. 245, and we have to round off this number to nearest 100. What we will do, we will check the number formed by the ones digit and the tens digit. The number is 45. 45 first we will check, it is less than 50. It is less than 50, what we will do, we will, in place of 5 and 4, we will write 0, but we will not increase 2 by any number. We will not add 1 to 2, it will remain 2, and the number 245 is rounded as 200. 245 is rounded up as 200. Now other examples, 2-3 examples I have taken. Now we will come to the next, that is, if we have to round off a number to nearest 1000. Now in this case, children, what we will do, when we have to round off a number to nearest 1000, I am taking a number 5672. Now in this case, we will check the number formed by the digits present at ones place, tens place and hundreds. Now in this case, the number formed by these three digits is 670. We will check either this number is greater than 500 or is smaller than 500. We will see this number is greater than 500. If this is greater than 500, what we will do, we will write, in place of these three digits 2, 7 and 6, we will write 0, 0, and what we will do, we will add 1 to number 1 to 5 digits. So how it will be rounded off? 5 will become 6. It will be rounded off to 6,000. 500, 600, 600, 5,672 is rounded off to 6,000. Now in another example, I am taking 2,354. In this number, if you will see, the number formed by the digits present at ones place, tens place and hundred place is 354. If 354 we will check, 354 is smaller than 500. It is smaller than 500. So what we will do, in place of 4, 5 and 3, we will write 0, but we will not add number 1 to 2. 2 will remain as such. So 2354 is rounded off as 2000. Right, 5672 is rounded off as 6000. 2354 is rounded off as 2000. If we are rounding these numbers to nearest 1000. I think you all have understood this. Do practice. Thank you.